Hi, good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Today, date is 28/4/2020. I am your maths teacher. Today, we are going to see unit 15 and 16. Both the unit is money. Okay. Topic finding totals to pay an amount. That is today's topic. Okay. I am going to start with the sums directly. Okay. If I teach sums, you can understand what we are going to learn from this topic. Okay. See the first question. Find the total amount in purse. We are going to find what is the total amount in this purse. Okay. There are 1 real, 5 real, 10 real in the purse. First I have written 10 reals. You can see the 10 real note no here. That one write first. 10 reals, 5 reals, then 1 real. Okay. So we have to find total amount in the purse. First add 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay. And 15 plus 1 is 16. So total amount is 16 reals. What is the total amount? 16 reals. 10 plus 5 plus 1. That gives the answer 16 reals. Next question. See the next question. What is the total cost of the juice and chips? You are going for one shop. There you are buying one apple juice and chips packet. You have to give money to the shopkeeper. So here they have given the price of the money. Price of the product. See, the apple juice is 500 paisa. The apple juice is 500 paisa. The chips is 100 paisa. Now you have to find total cost of the juice and the chips. So you have to add this both. Okay. 500 paisa. See how it will be? Half. Half real. Okay. 500 plus this 100. 100 paisa. So 5 plus 1. What is 5 plus 1? 6. So 500 plus 100 is 600 paisa. So how much you have to give to shopkeeper? 600 paisa. Okay students, you all clear with this? Okay. See the next question. Circle the notes you could use to pay for each item. Now imagine you're going for shop to buy an umbrella. Okay. See, what is the cost of the umbrella? 7 OMR. That is 7 Omani Riyal. Okay. 7 OMR means 7 Omani Riyal. Now you have to give money to the shopkeeper. These are all notes you are having. See, what are all notes you are having? 5 real, another 5 real, 1 real, another 1 real. What is this? 1 by 2, half real. What is that? That is 500 paisa. Okay. Now you see what all you have? 2 5 reals, 2 1 real and 1 half real. Now you have to give 7 OMR to the shopkeeper. How many notes you will give? We have to add from the beginning. See, what is this first? 5 real. 5 real plus 5 real will give 10 real. So no need to give another 5 real. So 1 5 real. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we reach the amount 7 riyal. Okay, so give 1 5 riyal. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So you have to give this 1 5 riyal note and 2 1 riyal note. That makes the 7 OMR. Okay students, you all clear? Next example is same like this. I am going to teach. Circle the notes you could use to pay for each item. Okay. What is this item? Raincoat. Okay. Otherwise jacket. Otherwise sweater. Whatever you can call. What is the cost of this product? 11 OMR. That is 11 Omani Riyal. What are all notes we are having? See. 10 riyal, another 10 riyal, 5 riyal, 5 riyal, 1 riyal. This is the amount we are having in the purse. Now we have to give 11 OMR to the shopkeeper. So how many notes you will give? See the first 10 riyal. And how much you have to give more? Only one. So give this 10 riyal note and this 1 riyal. That makes 11 OMR. So you can give only one 10 riyal note and only one riyal note. Okay students, we have to circle the notes to buy this product. So 10 riyals and 1 riyal. We have to give this to buy this product. Okay. Next, your homework is worksheet. I have given one worksheet. Do that. Okay. I hope you will do properly. Okay. Thank you students.